ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ, କେମିତି ଅଛ ସମସ୍ତେ? ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲରେ ଥିବେ। ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭଲରେ ଅଛି। ଆସ ଆଜି ଜାଣିବା WH ୱାର୍ଡ଼, ଯାହାକି ଆଜି 4ଟି WH ୱାର୍ଡ଼କୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିବା। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ମାନେ କ'ଣ, ହ୍ୱାଏ ମାନେ କାହିଁକି, ହ୍ୱେର୍ ମାନେ କେଉଁଠି, ହ୍ୱେନ୍ ମାନେ କେବେ। ଆଜି ଏହି 4ଟି WH ୱାର୍ଡ଼କୁ 10-10ଟି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିବା। ଚାଲ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା। ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? What are you doing? What are you doing? ସେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? What is he doing? What is he doing? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଖାଇଲ? What did you eat? What did you eat? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛ? What do you think? What do you think? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ପଢ଼ାଉଛ? What are you teaching? What are you teaching? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଚାହୁଁଛ? What do you want? What do you want? ତୁମ ବାପା କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି? What does your father do? What does your father do? ତୁମେ ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛ? What do you think about me? What do you think about me? ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ ଜାଣ? What do you know about him? What do you know about him? ସେ ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତି? What does he know about me? What does he know about me? What ଜାଣିଲେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଜାଣିବା why. Why ମାନେ କାହିଁକି। ତୁମେ ଏହି କାମ କାହିଁକି କରୁଛ? Why are you doing this work? Why are you doing this work? ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ କାହିଁକି ଯିବ? Why will you go there? Why will you go there? ତୁମେ ଏହା କାହିଁକି କଲ? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? ସେମାନେ ଏଠାକୁ କାହିଁକି ଆସନ୍ତି? Why do they come here? Why do they come here? ତୁମେ ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ କାହିଁକି ଭାବୁନାହଁ? Why don't you think about me? Why don't you think about me? ତୁମେ ଏକାଠି କାହିଁକି ଯାଉନାହଁ? Why don't you go together? Why don't you go together? ତୁମେ ଏପରି କାହିଁକି କହିଲ? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? ସେ ଏହି କାମ କାହିଁକି କରୁଛନ୍ତି? Why is he doing this work? Why is he doing this work? ତୁମେ ଏତେ କାହିଁକି ଭାବୁଛ? Why do you think so much? Why do you think so much? ତୁମେ ଏଠାକୁ କାହିଁକି ଆସିଲ? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? ତୁମକୁ ସେଠାକୁ କାହିଁକି ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ? Why do you have to go there? Why do you have to go there? ତୁମକୁ ଇଂରାଜୀ କାହିଁକି କହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ? Why do you have to speak English? Why do you have to speak English? Why ଜାଣିଲେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଜାଣିବା where. Where ମାନେ କେଉଁଠି। ଆସ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଜାଣିବା। ତୁମର ଘର କେଉଁଠି? Where is your home? Where is your home? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି ରହୁଛ? Where do you live? Where do you live? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହଁ? What do you want to go? Where do you want to go? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲ? Where were you going? Where were you going? ତୁମ ବାପା କେଉଁଠି? Where is your father? Where is your father? ତୁମେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯାଅ? Where do you go daily? Where do you go daily? ତୁମର କଲେଜ କେଉଁଠି? Where is your college? Where is your college? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି କାମ କର? What do you work? What do you work? କଟକରେ ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠାରେ ରୁହନ୍ତି? What do you live in Cuttack? Where do you live in Cuttack? Where ଜାଣିଲେ next ଜାଣିବା when. When ମାନେ କେବେ। ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ କେବେ ଯାଅ? When do you go there? When do you go there? ତୁମେ କେବେ ଇଂରାଜୀ ପଢ଼ାଉଛ? When do you teach English? When do you teach English? ତୁମେ ଏହି କାମ କେବେ କର? When do you do this work? When do you do this work? ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ କେବେ ଯାଇଥିଲ? When did you go there? When did you go there? ତୁମେ କେବେ କଲେଜ ଯାଅ? When do you go to college? When do you go to college? ତୁମେ ଘରେ କେତେବେଳେ ପଢ଼? When do you study at home? When do you study at home?